Python, Gaussian Bernoulli RBM on computing P, V, H. Context. I am implementing Gaussian Bernoulli RBM. It is like the popular RBM but with real valued visible units. True that the procedure of sampling hidden values P, H equals 1V, are the same for both, i.e. Problem. My problem is encoding, using Python P, V, H, which is... I am a little bit confused as to how N works. Do I simply add Gaussian noise using the data standard deviation to be plus sigma asterisk W dot dot H? Thank you in advance.
The notation x tilde n, mu, squared, means that x is normally distributed with mean mu and variance squared, so in the RBM training routine, v should be sampled from such a distribution. In numpy terms, that's... Or use scipy.stats.norm for better readable code.
It looks like we could get lucky and try it.